Alright guys, what's going on everybody? Today this is gonna be Sunday afternoon's video, and what we're gonna do in this one is I am gonna be telling you guys 5 reasons why I love my motorcycle, which is the Kawasaki Z400. It's been a while since I've done a video like this. Taking a thumbnail real quick, don't mind me. Alright. Alright, I think I got a good one. Alright, so anyways, yeah. In this afternoon's ride, I'm going to be telling you guys 5 reasons why I love the Kawasaki Z400. It's been a while since I've done a video like this. The last video I done like this done very good on views, so we're just going to do it again. And it's been a while, so why not? Alright guys, so how we're going to do this is I'm going to tell you one reason why I love this bike right now. The one reason why I love her is because she's a smooth riding bike. It's a fun bike to ride, and she's just a fun time. So that's one reason why I love her. We're gonna ride a little bit, tell you another reason, ride a little bit, tell you one more reason, and we're gonna be telling you 5 reasons in total on this ride. So guys, before we take off, please do me a favor, just real quick with me, act like I'm watching the video with y'all. Just like the video, it's free to do. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the bell notification button, make sure you have all selected as your option so you don't miss out on the upload. And with that being said, let's go ride. And then of course, if you have any family or friends that like moto vlogs, you guys can always share this video out with them. Alright guys, can you hear me alright? So how about we tell you guys reason 2 why I love the Kawasaki Z400. I like this bike for many reasons, and here's one more reason why I like her. Is I like it because I added a phone mount on her. I'm not gonna lie, adding this phone mount onto this bike was like the biggest, greatest thing I could ever do. You don't even understand, guys, how much how much help it gives me. Is like when we're riding on the back roads and I go left or right and my brain tells me to go the other way and I go the other way and we get lost and we can't find our way out, the GPS is so helpful to have in front of you. So that is one more reason why I like the Kawasaki Z400, why I like my motorcycle, is because I added a phone mount on her, and it's just really helpful to have on these rides. And especially if I go on the back roads like I said and we get lost, it's real nice to have GPS. So that is reason 2 why I like the Kawasaki Z400. I'll tell you guys the reason 3 in a little bit, and then at the end of the ride we'll tell you reason 4 and 5. And reason 4 and 5 are going to be the best reasons, so make sure you stay to the end so you don't miss out on those. I might even tell you guys a little early. You're just going to have to wait and find out. How's everybody's day going today on Sunday? Is y'all day going good? I hope so. My day is going pretty good. Well, I mean, it's Saturday that I'm recording this video for you guys, but you'll see this on Sunday. But either way, my day is going good. Let's pull over in the neighborhood real quick. I'll tell you guys reason 3 why I like the bike right here. Why not? Alright. Reason 3 why I like this bike is because the exhaust, guys. I added a new exhaust on her about two years ago, or actually maybe a year ago. I added a new exhaust on her Leo vents. I took the stock exhaust off that it came with, put a Leo vents on her, and she sounds mint. She sounds so good. I love the way she sounds when we ride, and that is reason 3 why I like the Kawasaki Z400 and why this is a good beginner bike, or this is just a good bike to have fun on. Let's go, guys. And actually, hold on, let me check real quick on how long we've been recording for, just so I know how long this video has been. Going on 10 minutes. Perfect. All right, So we're gonna ride a little more and then we'll stop and tell you guys reason 4 and 5. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a like. It's free to do. It helps the video grow and perform better. Subscribe to the channel, and if you want a shout out, do both of those things. Like the video and subscribe to the channel, and then comment done with hashtag trending so we can try to get this video to go trending, and I'll give you guys a shout out on the next ride. And YouTube has this new thing where I can see if you subscribe to the channel, so like I can see who's subscribed to the channel, which is pretty cool. So you're gonna, and then obviously I can see who likes the videos too. So I'll be able to tell if you do those two things. And if you do all three of those things, then I'll give you a shout out. Let's see here. What's the video going on? How long have we been recording for? 15 minutes and the GoPro's getting low on battery. Alright, for sure. I think we're gonna end it here, guys. And don't forget, let me tell you the fourth and fifth thing real quick. Why I like the Kawasaki C400. The fourth thing is she gets good gas mileage. I mean, I could fill the tank up with just $5 and she'll get right back to full. So I do like the gas mileage. She's cheap on gas, and the mileage is pretty good. Like, I could ride like an hour or 2 hours, maybe sometime like I could ride like on a one tank of gas could last me like a few days, depending on how long we ride for. And we record every day, we upload every day, so you guys know we ride a lot. But yeah, we're very rarely putting gas into the bike, which is a good thing. I love the gas on her. The fifth thing why I like her is because she's not too powerful. I mean, I'm not trying to like go up into a wheelie every time I take off, you know, or I'm not trying to like worry about watching my speed because I'm going too fast. Like, I don't want to get in trouble with the law. I'm just out here to have a good time, have fun, you know. So the power, she's just the right power for me. I mean, maybe in the future I'll upgrade to like a R6, you know, or maybe even a R7. But I like the Z400, guys. She's a good play bike. If you're a beginner rider, I'd highly recommend you get in one of these. They don't make these bikes no more brand new, so you're gonna have to get her used. But yeah, guys, it's a fun bike, and that's the fifth reason. So guys, with that being said, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment with saying done, and then put hashtag trending, and I'll be able to see if you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll give you a shout out if you want. With that being said, I'll see you guys this evening. Peace.